If someone has taken opioids like fentanyl, heroin, morphine, or oxycodone, and they've had too much, it can quickly turn into an emergency. Hello, my name is Dr. Zia, and I am an emergency physician at the Ottawa Hospital. And here's what you need to know if you encounter someone who is experiencing an opioid overdose. First off, you'll know something's wrong if their breathing is slow, shallow, or even stopped. Their lips or fingertips can turn blue or gray. Their pupils might shrink to tiny pinpoints. And no matter how hard you try shaking them or how loud you shout, they just won't wake up. If you see these signs, act immediately. First, call 911. Tell them that you think it's an opioid overdose. Next, give naloxone if you have it. Most kits in Ontario are a nasal spray, so peel open the package, tilt their head back, and place the nozzle in one nostril and press the plunger. It works within a couple of minutes. If the person has stopped breathing or is only gasping or gurgling, you can start hands-only CPR right away. Don't wait. Place the heel of one hand in the center of their chest and put your other hand on top and push hard and fast at about 100 to 120 times per minute. That's roughly 2 compressions every second. Let the chest rise fully between pushes. Keep going until help arrives and they start breathing again. If they're still not responding after 2 to 3 minutes, give a second dose of naloxone in the other nostril. Please stay with them until help arrives, even if they wake up, because naloxone wears off in about 30 to 90 minutes and the overdose symptoms can return. In Ontario, you can get a free naloxone kit at most pharmacies, community health centers, and through many first aid programs. There's no prescription needed for naloxone kits. The faster you act, the better their chance of survival. Call 911, give naloxone, start hands-only CPR if necessary, and please don't leave until help takes over. And if you want to be ready for other emergencies like this, check out the rest of our first aid series.